As you get more confident in your ability to sell and you get better and better, what can you do next to go to the next level? My answer might surprise you. Stay tuned. As you continue to evolve as a salesperson and you work on the various elements of what makes a salesperson great, time management, energy management, learning how to qualify the buyer, targeting the right person, understanding how to move the sale forward, dealing with objections, becoming even smarter about how to deal with the competitive element in your industry. All of these things will make you a better salesperson. But there's a surprising answer to how you can get even better and accelerate your progress. It's expressing vulnerability. You might be surprised to think that as I get more confident and better at my craft, I would express vulnerability to get even better. It's true. The best people are willing to admit that they don't have it all figured out. And they turn to others who could be helpful to help them to improve because they don't know everything. So here's an example. Let's say that there's a certain objection that when it comes up, it throws you for a loop. You just haven't figured out what is the right response to help put the buyer at ease and help them to understand that you actually have an excellent fit for their needs and a great product or service to offer, that they shouldn't feel concerned or question the value of the investment. So what do you do here? Well, you turn to someone who's great at dealing with this objection. Is it your manager? Is it a coworker? Is it even someone in a different role in the company who really understands this aspect of your product, your service, some other part of how the company deals with competitive elements, or the engineering that goes into the product, or the financial aspects of making this purchase or service after the sale, whatever it is, there's someone else in your organization that probably knows more about how to answer that objection than you do. Express vulnerability. Let them know that they can help you. This also works to deepen relationships with other people you work with. When you show vulnerability, they realize you're not the type of person who likes to act like you have it all figured out. You're willing to admit that you don't. And that makes you more trustworthy and real and genuine. So they will like you more. So it's a win-win for relationships and for helping you to be better. Does this work with prospects? Absolutely. When prospects press us for information that we don't have, that's a clear opportunity to express vulnerability and say, I'm sorry, I don't know the answer to that. I would like to look into it and get right back to you. Would that be all right? Let them know that you don't have all the answers, and they will trust you. They'll appreciate you, especially if you promptly follow up with them, because then that will deepen their trust of you, because it gives you that opportunity to show that follow-up is also a great aspect of how you provide service to the buyer. So surprising as it might sound, to go to the next level in sales, it might be to learn to express vulnerability and show that you're not perfect, that you don't have it all figured out. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you'd like to learn more about how I can help you to improve as a salesperson, consider investing in my new online sales training program. It is chock full of information like this to help you to learn to grow faster, succeed faster as a salesperson. I think if you make this investment in yourself, you'll be very glad that you did. If this video is something that is giving you new ideas on how to improve, please like it, comment on it, and share it with others. And of course, subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to learn more about my sales training coaching solutions, visit my website, buildandbalance.com. Thank you very much.